How to change currency on Revolut. So let's get started. You can exchange. So for example, I would like to convert this euro to US dollar. I will go 5 euros. I will receive 5.51 US dollars. Review order. There are no fees and you can sell euros to US dollars. So this is the first option, how to change the currency, but this is more likely like to convert. But if you wanna change the currency here, you can click on accounts and simply you can add new account, which means currency account. And here you can add new currency account. So you can choose US dollar, Turkish lira, or Swedish krona. So this is how can you do it. I'm gonna add, for example, Czech koruna because I am from Slovakia and they are next to us. And as you can see, it's super simple. I will just add this Czech koruna account and now I can receive Czech korunas. And if I want to switch, I'm just gonna switch to euro and I'm back on euros. So this is what can you do, how to change your currency on Revolut. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button and see you later.